It is a fundamentally human thing to want something edited as our wish, and to ensure that, WP Fluent Forms allows you to customize the form using your HTML codes or shortcodes. Please keep in mind that this is a pro feature. Purchase WP Fluent Forms Pro add-on from the link provided in the description. Drag and drop the custom HTML field from the available input fields, or click on the custom HTML field to add it below the last field in the form editor. You can also add a custom HTML field clicking the plus icon on the previously added input field and select Custom HTML Field from the list. To enable customizing, click on the edit icon on the field. In the Custom HTML field, input the valid codes that are to be shown to the users as regular content. Define if there are any conditions to be fulfilled for this input field. Learn more about conditional logics in the link given in the description. For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon.